Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Government has indicated its readiness to support officials of the National Population Commission (NPC) to midwife for the first time accurate and reliable census figures in the country. Governor Diri gave this indication while inaugurating 2 committees to collaborate with NPC officials and offer them the much-needed support during the forthcoming National Population and Housing Census.
The governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Diri, recently inaugurated 2 committees to work closely with officials of the National Population Commission to ensure a successful conduct of the forthcoming National Population and Housing Census slated for May this year. This year's exercise, taking place almost 17 years after the 2006 census, will be Nigeria's first digital census. While inaugurating a Publicity and Mobilization Committee, chaired by newly appointed Secretary to the state government, Gideon AKUGHA, and a Security Committee headed by retired Brigadier General Eric Angaye, Senator Diri observed that the census figures will be relied upon for development planning in the state.
In modern times, population is a critical ingredient of development, and it's important that we know exactly who we are and how many we are.
Earlier, Senator Diri had sworn in Gideon AKUGHA as secretary to the state government to fill a vacancy created by the resignation of his predecessor in office, Kombowe Benson, who has just been elected to represent Bayelsa Central in the Senate. While thanking Governor Diri for the opportunity to Bayelsa State, the new SSG promised to justify the trust reposed in him.
I promise to serve the people of Bayelsa State with humility and sense of direction.
Until his appointment, Gideon AKUGHA was chairman of the Bayelsa State Physical Planning Development Board.
Inside the Niger Delta,